In this video, I will explain how to hide a product categories from the website. First, you have to go to on the all pages, then go to on the third pages. So now I am currently in third page. Then go to on the section of front page, home. This is the front page. So right click with the edit with Elementor, right click, then open link in a new tab. Actually, there are two steps, and we have to done the two steps for hide the product categories. So first one is, this is the first step, and the second step is you have to go to on the appearance and menu. This is our website. Suppose if you are plan to hide the sarees is one of the product category. Suppose if you are plan to hide the sarees category, then you have to just click category, then you have to click remove, then click save menu. Now the sarees category will be hidden from the website. So again, if you are plan to show the sarees category, then go down the product categories, sarees, then add to menu. So this is the steps for, this is the first step for hide and show the product categories from the website. And the second step is we have to show the number of categories. Totally there are 6 categories are available. Now I plan to disable the jeggings category. So now I click edit this icon and then go to on the slider setting, and here feature categories, hide empty categories. We have here hide empty number of categories 8. So totally we have to show the 8 category. Exclude category means, suppose if you are remove the jeggings category, then you have to type jeggings. Then just select it, then the jegging categories will be automatically hidden. Then click update. Now refresh the page. Now the jegging categories will be removed. Removed means it will be hidden. Suppose if you want to remove that, then click just jeggings, then update, then the category will be again, it will be open. So this is the steps for hide and show the product categories from the website. If you have any doubt, just comment below, and thank you.